Oy. Okay, no more kwan, ha? Watch Ellen. It's 12:47 a.m. here. Okay, from now on, I don't want to kwan na. To tell you guys that go to sleep. Stay all night. Stay awake all night. Bantay bitaw. Okay. From now on, no more go to sleep. Stay all night. Let's see. Let's see. Dragon Jennings go to sleep. That's last until tomorrow, lol. I can stay awake more than 48 hours. Oh, you don't want me to say go to sleep? Okay, stay awake all night. I'm just being kanang caring, oy. But you don't want man, so it's okay. I understand. I will respect that. So from now on, no more go to sleep. Stay awake all night. Ellen is angry na, ha? Angry na. Bantay bitang mga tuog mo. My brain is already small. Tampo, Ellen? Yes, bro. I'm already tampo na, bro. They don't want to go to sleep. Okay. You don't want to sleep? Stay awake all night. Don't sleep. Whole day, whole night. Ellen is already angry na. I'm going to leave tomorrow. No live stream na. Joke lang. Oy, what happened to me today? What's up, bro? How are you? Reverse. Psychology doesn't work on me. Stay awake all night. Don't go to sleep. Okay, that's a final. Ellen Boang is attacked again. Oh my god. What happened to me? Really? What's up, bro? How are you? How are you? Hello. No, she's tampo. Now she's tampo. Yes, I'm already tampo na ron, Dragon. Because every time I say, oh, go to sleep. Oh, Ellen always send me to go to sleep. Okay, from now